Hi, this is Rhet from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2016 Hyundai Tucson, stock number 5954. This ran from 07 2014 to 04 2017. There's a G4NA 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NA 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy tyre. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front guard no dents. Right front headlight. Right front 17-inch factory alloy tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door no dents. Centre console lid with some marks. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke steering wheel with some wear. Instrument cluster.